I'm Lisa Lamata. I'm the editor of Biopharma Dive, and I'm here at Bio CEO and Investor Conference in New York with Brad Loncar, an independent investor with Loncar Investments. Brad, thank you for joining us here. I'm hoping you can give us a better idea of how the biotech environment has changed in 2017 compared to last year.
Sure. So first of all, thanks a lot for having me. It's nice to be here. And what a wild year 2016 was. I think all of us are happy to have the crazy election cycle behind us. And it's too early to tell how 2017 is going to be, but it's definitely off to a much better start than 2016. The biotech indices are up about 7 or 8%, so that's a good sign. And
Absolutely.
one of the reasons I'm here at Bio CEO is I think a lot of medium and small biotech companies have a lot going for them this year, because a lot of the large products that the pharmaceutical companies have are running out of steam, and they need to replenish their pipelines and their revenue streams. And so there's kind of two waves of M&A that might happen this year. What's going on right now is anything that's a commercial product is being bought out. And I think once all of those assets are accounted for, that maybe we'll see some more development stage deals. At least I hope so. So that would be a good thing if that happens this year.
Absolutely. And what technologies are you watching right now?
Well, there's a couple that might cross the finish line at the FDA this year that's really important. Anytime a new technology is approved for the first time, that's very meaningful. So we could see that in the CAR T space this year. I thought Novartis's pediatric ALL data at ASH looked terrific, and Kite still has some data to show us, but they might get approved this year. And so that's one to watch in the cancer space, which is where I focus. And then the other thing that seems to be going well right now is gene therapy. Spark presented here earlier, and they may have something in front of FDA, and it'll be interesting to see how they handle gene therapy, because that's something that's totally new. And on the commercial side, how payers think about it is a totally new thing to think about as well. And the science is exciting. The hemophilia, there's a lot of companies working on that, and we've seen some compelling data, and same with beta thalassemia. So watch for gene therapy in 2017.
Interesting. Speaking of exciting spaces, tell me a bit, what do you think of the diagnostic space at this point?
Sure. So diagnostics is every year gaining in importance, both because the science is getting better, and also with everything that's going on right now with payer pushback. It's really important to make sure that we get the right drug to the right patient, and there's a lot of innovative companies doing some new things. One of your colleagues wrote a great story yesterday in Biopharma Dive about the liquid biopsy space, and that's really interesting in cancer, because we want to make sure that the right patients are getting the right drugs, but also tracking to see how it's working in real time. That's a new thing we're able to do now, and that could be really important for the entire space. So it's something to watch.
Well, that's great. Thanks for giving us an update, Brad, and joining us here at the BioBuzz Center.